Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to clean your dishwasher using Dishwasher Cleaner to keep it hygienically fresh. And that will prolong the life of your dishwasher, so you don't need to cart it off to the recycling tip like this one. First of all, make sure that the dishwasher is completely empty, and you want to perform this after about every 30 dishwashing cycles. And what you're going to need today is some dishwasher cleaner. Now I'm using Finish Dishwasher Cleaner today, but other brands obviously are available. Whatever you do, don't try and unscrew the lid. All you do is peel back this label. Then you lay it down where one of the plates would go, upside down. Roll the basket back in. And then start a dishwashing program. It's also a good idea as part of maintenance to clean the filter on your dishwasher. And this is 2 hours later. Open up the door, and I tell you what, that smells so fresh and fantastic. This is now empty. That can go in your plastic recycling. And it's absolutely sparkling clean in here and smells fresh as a daisy. Fabulous. And coming up in the end screen, I'll put a link in on how to add salt to your dishwasher. And then I think that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. I hope you found that useful. Up on this side, there's a video on what to do if your dishwasher is not draining water properly. And over on this side, there's a video on how to keep your washing machine hygienically fresh. Thanks for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.